Hey everyone, it's Julie. Hope everyone's having a great day today. Today I will be making crispy Brussels sprouts. You'll need 16 ounces of Brussels sprouts halves, quarter teaspoon of sea salt, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and 1 lemon sliced. Don't forget to subscribe, like it, share it, comment, love it. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and line your sheet pan with parchment paper. In a bowl, add the Brussels sprouts and drizzle extra virgin olive oil and sprinkle the sea salt. Mix thoroughly. Transfer the Brussels sprouts onto the parchment paper. Roast the Brussels sprouts in the oven for about 40 minutes. Flip 20 minutes into roasting. Then take out the Brussels sprouts when it's crispy and charred or when it's thoroughly cooked. Squeeze lemon juice and sprinkle all over the Brussels sprouts. Serve and enjoy.